Hi, I'm Darren Swift and I am the site manager of GA's 400,000 square feet distribution centre. Here at GA we distribute to 50 countries worldwide from our distribution hub. With over 200 trucks per week and over 2 million packs stored, let me show you how we store, pick and pack your brand to be dispatched direct to you. Finished packed product arrives at our warehouse in Chorley after leaving our manufacturing site at Plox Farm on one of our dedicated wagons. The trailer is unloaded and product is scanned into our warehouse, continuing the traceability around GA. Our fully electric fleet then take the pallets of product over to its allocated bay. Our material handling equipment can reach up to 10.2 metres using cameras to ensure the correct placement of pallets. Once we receive an order for your product, a forklift or reach truck is sent to collect this, and it takes it over to our dispatch area and ready for your label to be applied. Bags are picked from a pallet and pre-labelled prior to being packed in a box and sent direct to our partner's chosen destination or end user. This is a collated pallet going out to one of our partners, containing multiple products that they have requested. All of our logistics and warehousing colleagues have been working for GA for many years. We are really passionate and care about giving the best service we can to our partners. This particular vehicle is being loaded with collated pallets to head off to one of our many pet shops around the UK. At GA, we send pallets all around the world every day. So that's the end of our distribution virtual tour, and we hope to welcome you on site soon. Thank you.